Hello, Elevation students. Welcome to third quarter in chemistry. I hope that your break was restful and that you had a chance to visit with family and friends as much as possible in these times. I'm looking forward to seeing you in class next week. There is no virtual class this week because we start on Wednesday, January 6th, and Tuesday, which is our normal time, was a teacher work day. So everything this week will be entirely online in terms of videos and instruction, and the 13th. So in store for us this week, we're going to go ahead and begin to learn about compounds and specifically the difference between ionic versus covalent, and then some very beginning instruction about how to name them as individuals. So if you take a look at your pacing guide for this first week, notice there's nothing here for Tuesday the 5th. On Wednesday the 6th, I'd like for you to take some time to do a reflection. So if you click on this, it will take you to the assignment, and we're going to just look again at our strengths and challenges, similar to what you had done before. So you'll go ahead and click on this, which will then ask you to make a copy, and you will see that it is a 2-page assignment, not very long, just asking you for a few questions. Please make sure you log on to PowerSchool to see your quarter 2 grades, because you can't access anything through the different piece on Canvas. So you have to actually go into PowerSchool, which is a great way to check your grades anyway. So let me know what that second quarter grade was. I do know what it is, but I want you to make sure you know what it is. If you do remember your score from your final exam, what did you get, or ballpark it, and then does that reflect your preparation and understanding of those concepts? And then we're going to look through what are your goals, what are your strengths and challenges, what are some big 3 things you're going to work on, and then if there's anything else you'd like to share with me going into the third quarter. All right, going back to our pacing guide. On Thursday, what we're going to do is our direct instruction is actually going to be from Miss Boyd, which is another chemistry teacher, and she's going to walk you through the difference between ionic versus covalent bonds. That link will be there in just a little bit, but I wanted to just show you real quick where the lesson itself is. And so this lesson kind of walks you through some visuals we saw in the first semester, and then the 2 different types of bonding. This is going to be really important for you because your assignment that you'll be completing next is a double bubble. Which is kind of like a Venn diagram. You've seen these before, of course, and this will be worth 9 points. And so if we take a look at that assignment here, it is an apply assignment, and so it's an application of the concepts that you've learned. So again, you'll make sure you've watched those videos, or one video specifically, and then you'll record 3 different characteristics about ionic bonds, 3 versus covalent, and then 3 that are shared by both of them. So the link to it, of course, will take you to your own copy. And you'll notice that when you look at this, it's just a visual for you, and it's just to remind you what a double bubble looks like. And so you don't actually have to use this specific example of a double bubble. You can create your own. But here's what I want. I want it to be your work. I don't want it to be an image from the internet that you're putting down. I want you to make sure that you're writing your answers in, okay? So not visuals that you've taken from the internet. I want to see either something you've typed or something that you've written. I want to see your work, not something that we've Googled, okay? So make sure that you've done that, you've taken the time to really reflect your own learning on those differences. Finally, if we take a look at Monday is going to be a play posit. You've done some of these before, and you're going to click on the play posit. For some reason, it's not working at this moment, but it will take you to a video. It's about 10 minutes or so long, a little bit less, and it's going to walk you through 2 different things. The first one is one that was on the internet. It's only a couple minutes long, and it goes through a brief overview. And then I actually walk you through a bunch more examples, and then as you go along, of course, you can answer those questions. If you get it wrong, you always get to go back and answer it correctly within that frame. And so that's really nice too. So that's worth 20 points. So if you take a look at our overall points for this week, we're looking at 9 and 9, which is 18, another 20. So about 38 points for this week, moving us into the start of our second semester. So I look forward to seeing you in class. Again, it won't be in this week. It'll be next Tuesday. And so that will be the 12th. So that will be January 12th that I will see you. Of course, I'll send out announcements as well. Can't wait to see you then, and good luck. Let me know if you have any questions this week. I'll be here for office hours on Thursday.